Chosen one, you can finally stop defending yourself. The exhaustion of constantly trying to prove your reality is over. If you are hearing my voice right now, it is because a higher intelligence has orchestrated this exact moment to bring you the validation you have been crying out for. For years, you walked through a battlefield inside your own family. You felt the subtle sabotage, the weaponized silence, the way they twisted the narrative to make you look like the problem while they played the saint. But heaven has pulled back the curtain. The illusion is shattering. It was your sibling the whole time. And the very environment that once misunderstood you is now witnessing the undeniable truth. The shock rippling through your circle is not a coincidence. It is the divine clearing your name. You do not have to say a single word. You do not have to gloat or explain. The universe is handling the exposure. Take a deep breath right now. Notice how your shoulders just dropped. Notice how the knot in your stomach is loosening. Notice how your spirit is finally exhaling. Your intuition was never flawed. The season of them controlling your story is finished. Stay with me until the very end of this message, because I am going to show you exactly why this betrayal had to happen for you to awaken. I will show you why they targeted you specifically. And before we finish, I will give you a specific protocol to protect your energy so you never have to absorb their toxicity again. If you have always felt something was off in your family dynamic, if your spirit knew the truth long before it was exposed, go to the comments right now and type, "I see it." But to understand the shockwaves happening right now, we have to look at what was really going on in the dark. Remember, I promised to show you why they targeted you. Let us peel back the first layer. It was not just sibling rivalry. There is a specific reason they chose you. For a very long time, your sibling built an image. They crafted a persona of the good person, the reasonable one, the victim. They perfected this character in front of your relatives, your parents, and your shared friends. What looked like charm was actually calculated camouflage. Imagine sitting at a family gathering. The dining room lights are warm. There is laughter echoing around the table, but you are sitting there in absolute silence. Your chest feels tight. You just watched your sibling drop a razor-sharp comment disguised as a harmless joke. It was coated in sugar, but it was meant to cut deep into your insecurities. And as you look around the table, you realize no one else caught it, only you. If you reacted, you would be called crazy. You would be told you are too sensitive. So you swallowed the disrespect to keep the peace. They knew your triggers. They knew your vulnerabilities. They knew exactly where to press to make you react, so you would look like the unstable one. And I have to ask you something right now. Just think about this. How many times did you apologize for reacting to disrespect? How many times did you question your own sanity because they were so good at convincing everyone else that you were the problem? Before this continues, gently press the like button. Not for me, but so this message reaches another chosen one who is being scapegoated by their own blood right now. Let your like be the validation they are searching for tonight. Take a breath. Because the reality beneath that dynamic is much harder to accept. When the truth about a family member comes out, society often calls it a tragedy. People call it the destruction of a family. But let us look at the original Greek word for reveal. That word is apocalypsis. Most people hear that and think it means the end of the world or absolute destruction. But apocalypsis simply means to pull back the curtain, to lift the veil. The exposure of your sibling is not the destruction of your family. It is the apocalypsis of the truth. It is the lifting of the veil so that reality can finally be seen. This is why they targeted you. You hold the frequency they abandoned long ago. Your light threatened the shadows they were so comfortable hiding in. It was intentional destruction. They did not just stumble into hurting you. Isolating you was not an accident, it was strategy. Smearing your name was not a mistake, it was strategy. Making themselves look like the victim, it was strategy. Carrying this level of betrayal from your own blood pushes your brain into a state of constant survival. When you are always waiting for the next attack, your brain waves get stuck in a trauma loop. It creates a deep mental fog. I actually found a fascinating study from Princeton about something called the gamma switch that solves exactly this problem and helps your brain recalibrate. I will tell you more about that later. But everything I just said is still only human psychology. The whole truth is not human at all. What I am about to reveal next will shatter the way you look at this entirely. Here is the raw truth. Your sibling was just the vessel. For years, you have analyzed their behavior. You have asked yourself why they are so jealous, why they are so bitter, why they cannot just love you the way you love them. But you are looking at this through a human lens. To understand what is truly happening, you have to look at this through a spiritual lens. The entity of spiritual opposition, the force that seeks to keep you stagnant, knew it could not destroy your calling directly. Your destiny is already written, so it had to find a way to distract you. It had to find a way to drain your energy so completely that you would have nothing left to build your future. And who better to use than the person you share blood with? Who better to use than the face you trust, the person you grew up with, the one whose rejection would hurt you the most? What felt like sibling rivalry was actually spiritual warfare. Think about the story of Joseph. Joseph had a massive calling on his life. He was given prophetic dreams. He was marked for greatness. But to get him to the palace, to mold his character for the authority he was meant to carry, a profound betrayal had to take place, and it was not strangers who threw Joseph into the pit, it was his own brothers. It had to be his brothers. A betrayal from a stranger would have made him angry, but a betrayal from his own blood shattered him deep enough to reconstruct his entire destiny. Their betrayal was the exact transportation mechanism the universe used to move him into his purpose. When you realize this, how you fight back changes forever. You stop fighting the person, and you start recognizing the pattern. You stop trying to convince them of your worth, and you start stepping into your divine authority. You went in looking for family, and you are coming out finding destiny. You went in seeking their approval, and you are coming out with divine authority. You went in a scapegoat, and you are coming out a cycle breaker. If you feel the truth of this in your spirit right now, go to the comments and type, "I receive this." Type it if you are ready to stop fighting them and start fighting for your destiny. Now let me show you what happens to a chosen one's brain when they endure this kind of betrayal. Remember the gamma switch I mentioned earlier? When you are constantly attacked by your own blood, when you are perpetually misunderstood and forced to defend your reality, your nervous system does not know the difference between a family argument and a physical threat. Your brain gets locked into a high beta state. This is survival mode. It is a frequency of anxiety, overthinking, and exhaustion. When you were a child, before the trauma, before the betrayals, your brain naturally produced high levels of gamma waves. Gamma is the frequency of genius. It is the frequency of intuition, of deep spiritual connection, and of flow. Science calls the loss of this frequency the decline effect. As we grow and absorb the heavy, toxic energy of the world and our environments, our gamma waves slowly shut down. If you are watching this video, your gamma was naturally stronger than average when you were born. You are a chosen one. You always felt things deeper. You learned faster. You had an intuition that scared people. And precisely because your gamma was so high, when it was shut down by the betrayal and the gaslighting of your family, you felt the crash heavier than anyone else. That brain fog, that feeling of being disconnected from your own brilliance, that is not depression. That is your brain stuck in survival mode, begging to be recalibrated back to gamma. Let me tell you about a woman who experienced this exactly. She was 38 years old, a brilliant soul, who had her entire family turn their backs on her due to a sibling twisting the narrative. She described her mind as a machine running on 30% capacity. She was existing in a thick fog, but she discovered a way to reactivate her gamma waves. 3 weeks later, She described her transformation not with numbers, but with peace. She said, "I am no longer loud inside. The mental noise is gone, and in that silence, the universe started talking to me again. I know exactly what you are thinking right now. You are thinking, I have tried meditation. I have tried positive affirmations. I have tried letting go, and it did not work. I understand, and I will tell you why. Meditation is beautiful, but it can take years of dedicated daily practice for a traumatized brain to finally entrain itself back to a gamma frequency. When you are healing from family betrayal, you do not always have the energy to meditate for an hour a day. But neuroscience has found a backdoor. It is called brain entrainment. It does directly in 7 minutes what traditional meditation takes years to achieve. This is not magic. It is documented science from institutions like MIT and Stanford. Usually, to access this kind of neurological recalibration, you would have to visit a clinical biofeedback center and pay $300 for a single hour, or buy home equipment that costs upwards of $7,000. But a brilliant neuroscientist named Dr. Robert Lake spent years condensing this exact technology into a simple 7-minute digital audio track called The Genius Song. You do not have to meditate. You do not have to write anything down. You just put on your headphones, close your eyes, and let the acoustic frequencies physically shift your brainwaves out of survival mode and back into your God-given gamma state. The standard price for this technology is $49. But because Dr. Lake wants to ensure this reaches the people who are truly ready to awaken, he has authorized a special access price of just $39 exclusively for the viewers of this message. You will not find this price on Amazon or anywhere else. For less than 10 cents a day, over a year, you can take your mind back from the trauma. And it comes with 4 additional, highly valuable bonuses, including the Genius Child audio track, completely free. Best of all, it is backed by a 100%, no questions asked, money-back guarantee. If you listen to it and do not feel the heavy fog lifting from your mind, you get every penny back. The only real risk is continuing to let their betrayal keep your brilliance locked away. I must give you a very serious warning though. Because this technology is so effective, there are many counterfeit versions and fake videos floating around on YouTube claiming to be the Genius Song. They do not contain the actual brain entrainment frequencies, they are just empty sounds. To make sure you get the authentic, scientifically backed audio and all your free bonuses, you must use the official link. I have placed that exact link for you in the description box and pinned at the top of the comments below. Do not force it. Just check the link in the description or pinned comment, and only step forward if your intuition tells you it is time. Because when your brain heals, the guilt disappears. And when that guilt is gone, you can finally watch the fallout with absolute peace. The truth is fully exposing itself right now. The whole environment, the relatives, the friends who once believed the lies and the false narratives, they are finally starting to see the cracks in the mask. The facade is falling apart, and as they watch your siblings stumble over their own contradictions, a profound shock is washing over the people who once judged you. What felt like a curse was actually a clearing. Their exposure is not your revenge, it is your exoneration. This is how you fight back. By doing absolutely nothing. I am giving you the permission protocol right now to carry with you for the rest of your life. Step 1. Silence is warfare. You no longer explain yourself to people who are committed to misunderstanding you. Step 2. You stop trying to correct their perspective. Let them believe whatever false story they need to believe to sleep at night. Step 3. You walk away without a single apology. You do not need to defend. You do not need to explain. You do not need to stay. Hear this clearly. You are allowed to cut off toxic blood. You are allowed to protect your peace. You are allowed to outgrow the family dysfunction. You do not owe your life to people who secretly pray for your downfall. If you feel that heavy burden lifting off your chest right now, go to the comments and type, "I release the guilt," to cut the final string they have on you. Do not leave yet. I am about to speak an activation over your life that will permanently shift your frequency and seal this closure. And that brings us to the ultimate truth about who you really are. You are the cycle breaker. You are the one chosen to clean up the karma of your bloodline. You did not endure this betrayal because you were weak, or because you deserved it. You absorbed this massive hit to put a permanent end to the inherited toxicity that has plagued your family for generations. The poison stops with you. I release you from the false narratives. I call forth your absolute vindication. Let the truth stand like a mountain that cannot be moved. It is done. The environment knows. The universe knows. And most importantly, you know. Do not say amen yet. Just breathe. Close your eyes if you can and sit in this exact frequency. Let the weight of your freedom settle deep into your bones. Feel the pure, clean energy of a life that no longer has to prove itself to anyone. You are not the scapegoat anymore. You are the liberated one. If your spirit agrees with this new reality, type, "I am the cycle breaker," with the force of a lion. Let your like be your amen without words. For those drawn to reactivate their gamma and clear their mind completely, the Genius song link is in the description and pinned comment. Investigate it only if you feel led. If someone came to mind while you were listening, someone who has been unusually quiet lately, someone betrayed by their own blood, someone struggling to prove their truth against a master manipulator, share this with them. Send it to them directly. Your share could be the exact vindication they have been praying for. You are not leaving a video. You are leaving a season of betrayal.